हेलो एवरीवन। आज है डे 38 स्पीच थेरेपी का एंड फॉर पीपल हु आर वाचिंग this video for the first time, I would like to tell them that this video is a part of speech therapy I am doing for last 35 days, and I have been uploading a video daily except few days when I was not able to upload it. I think till now there have been 4 days that I was not able to upload video in last 38 days. So today I am going to talk about my expectations from speech therapy. So just to give you a disclaimer, I don't speak as smooth as you see in this video in my day-to-day conversation, and I am okay with it because it is going to take some time. So it has been already 1 month, and at the end of my 6th months, so I know that I was again stuck for too long, but still I was happy in the sense that I almost I was able to control any secondary behavior, like a lot of head jerking or a lot of eye blinking. So yeah, so I was saying that at the end of 6 months, if I am able to speak as fluent as I am able to speak in this video in my real life also, I'll be very much contented with the improvement, and the severity of stammering also depends on the situation of a person he is speaking into. So my first target would be that I should be able to speak as smooth as I am doing in this video in my day-to-day life also. And then I think if I try to give you a number, I think the ratio should not be more than 10% in my day-to-day conversation if I am in my comfortable situation. And if I am in a stressed or anxious or emotional situation, in that case my stammering should not be more than 20 or 30%. So it is about my 6 months plan, and after an year I would like to have my stammering down to 5%, I think, in my day-to-day conversation, in my comfortable situation, and then maybe 10% or 15% stammering in my uncomfortable or stressed or emotional or anxious situation. So if I am saying a percentage, it should be an easy calculation, that if I am speaking 10 words, then I should not be stuttering with more than 2 words, and I would call that stammering of 20%. And I think at the moment I had started speech therapy, I had a stammering of, I think, 60% or 70%, and that too with a lot of secondary behaviors. So the moment I say secondary behavior, I meant these unnecessary fumbles or unnecessary blocks or unnecessary prolongation. And after that, so I talked about the first 6 months, and then after a year, and then I think after 18 months I should be able to bring down my stammering to only 2% or 1% in my day-to-day life conversation and in my comfortable situation, and in my uncomfortable situation my stammering should be down to 5%. And at the end of 2 years I would be trying to achieve an state that I am able to be a good speaker, because I am planning that during my speech therapy I'll also try to be a better speaker. Like I will try to do a better articulation, like I move my speech organs quite efficiently as I am doing this time. Usually people are lazy to use their articulators, like if they have to say use, they'll just say use. So if you I feel that if you use your articulators too much effectively, the 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 chances is very high that you would be able to be a better speaker whose voice is very much crystal clear. So it is a state which I would be strive to achieve at the end of 2 year. 2 year, is that too long for you? For me, I'm okay with it, because it is something which I have been facing this stammering for last 20 plus years. So, and I understand that speech therapy is not a magic that you just do for a few months and it is just gone in a snap. So yeah, so I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you were able to, and even if you are not able to watch my video until the end, I just realized that as you people know that these days the phone is of a large screen size of 6 inch or 6.5 inches. So the camera is here and the screen where I can see my video is here. So I just realized that if I am paying attention to my video, I am able to articulate the words and sentences better. And I think if I do this, my stammering ratio also decreases. So yeah, it was a very small observation, and I know it since last few days, but to be more interactive and to be able to make a better eye contact, instead of looking at my own video, I tried to look at into the camera. And I know that if I look into the camera, at that moment, if whosoever is watching this video, they will feel as if I am looking into their eyes as I am talking. So to achieve this, I choose to stutter comparatively more, but keep looking into the camera instead of looking into my own video. Yeah, so that is again a long video of 15 minutes. Thank you so much. And I also have another observation and I will talk about it some other day. Take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.